and we are at the end of the week. Okay, chapter 20, 2 through. We're almost finished. Go us. Now, there's a couple of things that happen in this chapter, and it's a very subdued chapter, and some people skip it because it's a lot of one person talking. But in this, we actually get an idea of how people circumvent the white culture in the 1930s. And we get to meet Mr. Raymond, Dolphus Raymond. Now, what does the paper bag that Dolphus Raymond carry around? Now, I'll give you a hint. It's not alcohol. Now, he's been carrying around this paper bag all this time, and people are like, oh, yeah, he drinks whiskey out of that all the time, and he's drunk, and that's the reason why he has a black wife. And no, it's not that. What is it? Why does Mr. Raymond pretend to be drunkard? Why does he pretend that to be a drunk? Why is he walking around with a paper bag, pretending, stumbling over things for no reason? Why does he do this? Infer, how has he kept his children and his girlfriend safe? Now, this is going to be a shocker because all of this is a lie, and he tells the children why he does it. Why does Mr. Raymond tell Dill and Scout the truth? Now, he tells them the truth, and they find out what's in the bag, and for Scout, it's like mind-blowing. She's like, what? What? You know. And he's like, yeah. And he says why, very directly, why he tells them the truth. And infer, why does Atticus believe cheating a colored man is 10 times worse than cheating a white man? Now, I'll tell you this, it has a lot to do with the power struggle, or the relationship between power and lack of power in the South. Next. In his closing statement, who does Atticus say he pities? He says it. I have nothing but pity for blank. Look for that. Now, if you can't find it, go to the PDF, hit Control F, and then put in the word, and it'll come up. In his closing statement, Atticus says that Mayella had to hide her evidence of her crime. What is of her offense? What is the evidence? It's stated directly in the book as well as the movie. You should know this by now. Now, on what lie does the state base its case on? I will tell you right now. It has a lot to do with the usual disease of Maycomb. Up next. In his closing statement, Atticus calls Mr. Ewell a God-fearing, persevering, respectable white man. Why does he call him this when he's proven that Mr. Ewell is a liar and a child abuser? I'm telling you what, it's one of those things where he is being ironic. It's called verbal irony. You say one thing when you mean the exact opposite. But why does he call him that? Now, enrichment. Now, this is only if you want to. You don't have to. Parallel Atticus' speech to another that's given in Julius Caesar. Now, some of you guys read Julius Caesar last year. Some of you didn't. So if you want to do this, you can. If not, just get rid of it. You delete it like that. You don't worry about it. It's all over. Okay, you have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you later.